The Mobile Car Baler is designed for efficient scrap vehicle recycling, allowing whole vehicles and mixed metal materials to be directly loaded into the compression chamber. Powered by a heavy-duty hydraulic system, the machine delivers strong compression force to process scrap cars into compact and uniform metal bales with a large compression chamber. It handles different scrap vehicle materials efficiently and reduces the need for complicated pre-processing. The high-strength steel structure and reliable components ensure stable operation during continuous recycling work. After compression, the finished bale is smoothly pushed out by the hydraulic system. The dense and uniform bales help save storage space and reduce transportation costs. Equipped with a diesel power system, the Mobile Car Baler can operate without external power supply, providing flexible recycling solutions for different working environments.
Enerpat. Diligence fuels dream.